Hello friends, welcome. We're doing beignets today. Now I have lukewarm water here. This is about 2 cups of lukewarm water. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Maybe a little bit of sugar. I didn't measure this one, I just want to put the yeast. So stir 1 yeast in and let's wait for it to cool. And then we start, cover it, wait about 2 minutes, let's see if it will. So we go to the next step. The next step is some more sugar. I would say for every 1 cup of flour, half cup of sugar. Or however, sugar to your taste. You could actually use honey or maple syrup. But we use sugar today. So I'm using 1 full cup of sugar. We stir in the sugar. Nutmeg, beignet paste. Even as you break it, you know, nutmeg has a lot of nutritious value to apart from that. So, feeling the yeast, feeling the yeast, something healthy. 1, 2 eggs, boom. I just want to make it a little bit richer today. Pinch is a 1/4 teaspoon, a pinch because everybody's finger is different. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and flour time. So add in the flour. In the description, I'll put all the yeah, this is it. Then I will turn it until I have it has to be so stretchy. So now I bring it out warm. But see, my hand is barely, it's sticky, but it's not like really gluing to my hand. So use the flour to help yourself. Okay. See how it is. So now I'm just going to knead it for a few minutes. Just a few minutes. It's not a few seconds actually. Not too much, okay? Because the work has already been done for us. I'm just putting it round. Fold it in, make it into a circle, like fufu. Behave. Boy, behave. Boy, behave. I can't hear myself. The level where it is. So we're going to keep it somewhere warm and moist. Keep it somewhere warm and moist for about 1 hour. Hello, we're back. I've been chilling this one. Ooh, look at how we have risen. Butter. Look at it. Yes. It's like pregnant baby. Jesus. So cut. Roll it. One direction. Now we can make shapes. I'm not trying to make it look ugly. See, nearly start beignet. So fry until brown. Look at it. Do you see how fluffy and how booger? It has boogered itself. It has boogered. Oh, when the sense go my chili. New Orleans has boogered itself in my house. Oh, New Orleans booger.
If you've enjoyed this production, please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, share, like. Thank you so much. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald. Bye.